India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
Today I am happy to stand in front of you to present the launch of dynamic QR code on our electricity bills. Before I present the QR code, I would like to give brief regarding the digitalization or digital transactions. As you all are aware, the Digital India mission was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister on 1st of July 2015. And Digital India is a flagship program of the Government of India with a vision to transform India into a digitally empowered society, knowledge and economy. Today, UPI contributes to 63% of total retail transaction in India with transaction count of 10 lakh crores. While celebrating 75 years of our freedom, I feel proud to inform you that our country, India, is the first in the world for these retail transactions. Secondly, at the Goa state, I am feeling proud today to say we are consistently performing and we are ranking second in our country. Soon we will become a cashless state. And this is a big achievement. I feel proud to say this and to witness that Goa, and soon after the launching of this dynamic QR code, I am committing and I assure you with my team we will work as one family and we will see that we become the leaders, we become first in our country for digital transactions. The QR code, as we all know, it will be printed on our electricity bills. Every bill we will be having a QR code which you have to just use your smartphone, scan it, get the details and make the payment with the click of your finger.